Every handmade shoes begins with the delicate art of crafting. The raw leather is transformed into a beautiful alignment shape. The craftsman carefully stitched, cut, and molds the leather around the wooden frame, bring it to life. Step by step, you can almost feel the effort and focus in every movement. This is where design meets skill, turning plain leather into a luxury handmade shoes. The texture, the smell, the softness of real cow leather. Everything here is authentic, pure, and made with passion. What make handmade shoes special is the blend of tradition and modern design. Even though every step is done by hand, the final results match today modern fashion. From stitching, polishing, everything is done with carefully to maintain durability and comfort. The craftsman does not just make shoes, he creates pride every pair. What are what you are watching is not just a process. It is heartbeat of craftsmanship. Each thread is pulled tightly by hand and creating a bond between the leather pieces that machines simply cannot match. The slow, careful stitching ensure strength, beauty, and a unique character in every pair. The craftsman's study, hands, and year of experience turn every single stitch into a mark of quality